Your roof works hard, keeping you and your family warm and dry through all the wild weather that New Zealand has to offer. But from time to time, things can go wrong, and your roof might need some care and attention. Edwards & Hardy offer a full roof repair service. We're available for leaks, repairs and advice on all types of roofs, long run iron, concrete and metal tile roofs. If your roof is looking a little tired and is in need of a facelift, we can offer a range of options and maintenance services to keep your roof looking great. From minor leaks to major repairs, Edwards & Hardy have got you covered. Call us today and one of our friendly team will find the right solution for you. Edwards & Hardy, New Zealand's local roofing company.